We're discussing the fee structure of the Bifrost Wallet, specifically looking for any hidden costs users might encounter. Bifrost Wallet itself is a non-custodial wallet, and its core function, holding your private keys, is provided free of charge. The wallet application does not charge you a direct fee for simply using the wallet software to store your assets. However, when you perform an on-chain transaction, like sending cryptocurrency, you will always encounter what is known as a network fee, or gas fee. This fee is not charged by Bifrost Wallet. It is paid to the miners or validators of the blockchain network you are using, such as Ethereum or the XRP ledger. This is a fundamental part of how blockchains operate, and the cost will fluctuate based on network congestion. Bifrost Wallet is designed to show you this network cost clearly before you confirm any transaction. Bifrost also integrates third-party services for actions like buying crypto with fiat currency or using in-app swap services. These integrated providers may have their own service fees, exchange rates, or spreads. These fees should be disclosed by the third-party provider within the wallet interface during the transaction process. In summary, for the core wallet functionality, there are no hidden fees. Any charges you see relate to the underlying blockchain network costs or transparent fees from integrated external services for trading or buying crypto. Always review the final transaction details before confirming to understand the total cost.